Hi, this is Sudipto Chatterjee, and I am a PhD scholar, full-time PhD scholar in National Institute of Technology, Arunachal Pradesh. Now, a first online national hackathon on technology innovation for toys is going on. So, to participate in that competition, I have made an automatic cricket bell. If any ball hit this bell, then this bell will fall into the ground, and after falling it, automatic light will glow. This is my project. Now see this project. If any ball hit this bell, or if this bell fall to the ground, then an automatic light will glow like this. Okay, this is my project. This is the circuit arrangement of automatic cricket bell which I have made. This is my name and this is my roll number because I am from electronics department. Now the working principle of the circuit diagram is I have take a battery, and after that the positive port of the battery is connected to the LED through a 1K resistance. Clear? Now we all know LED is a diode, and the diode will work in forward bias condition. Means if we want to glow this LED, I have to make the connection so that it will connected in forward bias condition. Okay. Now I took a battery, and positive port of the battery is directly connected to the resistance, and another power port of the resistance is connected to the P. P means this is a PN junction diode. So this is P and this is N. So positive port of the supply is directly connected to the P, and N is connected to the negative. Now this is all a forward bias connection. Now I made this connection such a way so that the circuit will fit into a wicket bell. Now this is a wicket bell. Now I make a hole into here. Clear? After that I make the circuit connection here. Now this is the battery, and two LED is connected to the battery. Clear? Two LED is connected to the battery, and this path is connected to the positive port of the battery, and negative port of the battery is connected to this lever. After that I wrap this circuit by cellophane paper such a way so that if anything hit, the pressure will come to this lever, and this lever is automatically touch to this path, and after touching that the LED will glow. Okay, and the LED will glow during 15 seconds, then it will automatically off. If this lever is touched to this path, the LED will automatically glow. Okay, now I put this circuit into the middle of this bell. Clear? Okay, now I made the hole. This is the wicket bell, and fit this circuit into that hole. After that I wrap with cellophane paper in such a way so that the whole pressure is came to here after hitting the ball. Okay, now if anything hit, suppose this is the wicket ball. Now if the ball, suppose this is my bell, this is the bell. Now if a ball hit this bell, the light will automatically glow. Just see, this is my project. Thank you. This is Sudipto Chatterjee, and I want to participate in category 2. This is Sudipto Chatterjee, and I have made this project. Thank you.